Watch, and here they come down the hill. Looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes out. And that was a bad idea.
Nothing to see here, just a street car.
This is CNN Breaking News.
This just in.
The Draggies are exposed.
Well, we are out here today at TMP. We've got...
Hey.
It's very hot today.
Yeah.
There's a nice breeze actually, which doesn't make it that bad, but what's the temperature today?
Like real hot.
It's in between not so hot and very hot, so it's real hot. So it looks like people have rolled in here. But it is definitely going to be a hot day today. Should be a good day of racing. Hopefully people are still rolling in to sign up, so we'll see how it goes. We're back in Mark's trailer. Mark's been making some changes since, when's the last time? Lancaster?
Lancaster, yeah.
Since Lancaster, and he shit the bed. So what are the changes? What do we do? What are we gonna give up today?
What are we going to give up? Just suspension changes, that's it.
And prediction?
Well, so far my Asdyno says it feels good, so we're going to see what happens on the track, right?
What do you think?
I think it's gonna fly. Yeah.
Good crew member. And we got another guy over here, fellow S10-ish crew member.
Ish, yeah.
They brought their S10 out after some catastrophic injuries last year.
Yeah, multiple catastrophic injuries.
And what is your prediction for the day? You got enough to beat this big block 8-kit nitrous truck?
I don't know. Have you ever beat us yet, Mark?
I don't know. I don't think so.
you have.
I don't think so.
Well then, he's the one who has to beat you then.
Yeah. I think there might be another S10 that's going to have a hard time too, so should be a good day.
There is a white one.
That should be fun. I'm interested to see how this goes.
Yeah, should be a good race for sure. So we got a few trucks in tailgate today. Normally that class is kind of dead, so it's cool to see everyone bringing the trucks back out. I think it'll be a big class today. Waiting for drivers meeting here. I got my boy Cody. He's got this highly modified
Go Tracks. Yeah.
I'm also rocking a Go Tracks.
Stage 3. Sinister.
Stage 3. We tuned it up a little bit. We'll see. Are you in sport mode?
Yeah, always.
Okay. Are we pushing off? Like a light push off?
We can do yeah, put one foot on.
Just a light push off, not
Okay.
over and over. One push and then go.
Straighten out. Straighten out.
One push and then we go.
Okay, ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, what the hell? This thing's a turd.
Oh,
There it goes.
Yo, get the gap.
Oh, it's a gap.
Oh, I maxed out.
I gotta go down. Aerodynamic.
I'm pulling.
Oh, he's pulling on me. Oh, he out 60'd. Out 60'd me hard. We didn't get a good launch. We spun on the hit.
And then
Cody was victorious.
hey, we're 1-1 now.
We're 1-1.
Yeah.
That's true.
Right?
We got to have a rematch.
In KD, that's where it's happening.
Down the hill.
Yeah. Okay.
As you see it, we lost the scooter race.
Fucking suburbs with it. Rah, bing, bah, bah. Hey, yo, Terry, fuck going on?
Hey, how's it going?
So we're heading to the back of the track here at OSO No Prep. They do this at the end of the quarter mile. So this is the back of the track. So as you can see, we're at the end of the quarter mile. This is where they do the burnouts, and then this is the surface. So as you can see, the surface is pretty good. It looks like a bunch of people have been testing here. There's a lot of rubber down. It's definitely gonna be fast. So So here we are at the back, the 8 mile. This is the finish line. As you can see, the starting line's way back there where Ryan is, and then you have a ton of runoff, which is nice. You don't actually need the parachute here to slow down, which is nice, so we won't have to deploy the chute, and the surface actually looks really good. So I have a feeling there's going to be some fast passes today.
twos is that?
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, I'll give you 5 seconds, but I don't want to, no, none of that.
I only got 3 seconds for you.
No, my hand's going to be up, it's going to come down, you're locked in, don't move after that. Same thing for the other way.
Right?
I like that.
Oh, you're right.
You don't need it.
You got a race.
No, turn off.
You'll say
There's one more in here.
I got one more in here, small tire.
So we'll see what we drew for small tire.
Small tire and has not come up.
What did you drop? Oh, that's not bad.
It's fresh surface down there.
It's better to get first down.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm down with first.
Just so you know, 10 minutes from the last drawing, you'll be up on stage. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So small tire is going to be lanes 1, 2, and 3, and then down from there on the list. Number 3. I got a small. On is right. Number 3's. Mike is left.
Good luck,
Number
you too.
4's. Number
number 4.
You didn't bring it?
Too much stuff to bring.
All right, we drew Ron Fountain. Left lane, third pair.
Fountain.
Ron Fountain.
Yep.
I don't think Ron and I have ever raced before, or if we did, we were just talking about it. I think his car died at the line the one time we got to race, so today's our virgin race against each other.
Today's the day, yeah.
You want to give me a rundown on the car, just vaguely?
It's just a 68 Camaro. It's a big block with a single turbo.
Power Glide, 400?
Turbo 400. It's got leaf springs.
Yeah, leaf spring
Don't see
gang.
that very often these
No.
days, so yeah.
I watch a lot of Ron's videos on YouTube. He gives some useful information for us leaf spring guys, so looking forward to this race. It should be a great race.
Should be a good one, yeah.
Good luck, brother.
Same to you, man.
Okay, well, they moved the starting line 150 feet forward, so we put in a relatively conservative pass. Just wanted to go A to B, and it did exactly what we wanted. Okay, second pass, left lane again. We added a little bit more to it to see if it would take it, and it seems to be taking it, but this hot weather is definitely not helping the truck. So we are second pair against Mike Batista, small tire, tailgate. One guy got eliminated, then bought back in, then got the competition by. So we got to race Mark. What else? That's pretty much where we're at right now. Okay, well, the truck's hot now. It's super humid out, and the flagger gave us about 3 seconds to get on boost, so not the greatest pass. We lost a little bit of time, but still enough to push out Mike Batista, even sleeping on the light. So on to our next round.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Well, it looks like we may have a problem. We got into the right lane, put the same tune-up we had in the left lane, and somehow ran over 4/10 slower. So we're gonna have to make some adjustments for the right lane for sure. Well, not getting up on boost is really affecting our times, but we're staying consistent at least and going A to B, which is getting us the wins. It's nothing impressive, but at least we're getting wins. Okay, we've made it to the finals. We made it to the finals here in tailgate and small tire. Our first race was the final against Brian with the S10. We've raced him a couple times last year, very fast truck. So we did a coin flip and ended up, he won the flip and obviously picked the left lane. As we'd seen most of the day, the right lane just had a 4/10 difference. It was very hard to get down on the right lane. So went back to the truck, turned it down a little bit to try to get some traction out of the hole, added a little bit of weight and loosened up the shocks, hoping that somehow we could get some kind of 60 out of the right lane, because I know in the left lane the 60 foot was great. So we headed back, did those changes, and headed up to the starting line.
Buddy. Fucking good race.
All right, well, we lost the tailgate final. Did everything possible I could do. The right lane just wasn't having it. As you can see, he out 60'd me by a lot. I tried to reel him back in. Every time I tried to put any more power into the truck, it was just spinning a little bit. Tried pedaling, tried doing everything possible to get any kind of time out of this right lane, but it seemed to be consistent. You just couldn't run any faster than this in that lane. So went back to the trailer, met the guys from New York to do coin flip. Of course, we lose again, and they obviously take the left lane. So at this point, I'm not sure what we can do. I looked over the data log, put more timing, a timing cut, just trying to catch any kind of tire I can get here. But again, if this white car 60 foots like the truck did, it's gonna pretty much be, the race will be over before it begins. So we hope for the best. We turned it down a little bit more, lowered the air pressure a little bit more, doing whatever we physically can do to try to get this thing to leave on the 60, and yeah, that's all we could do. We ended up getting the 2 shitty lanes for the 2 finals. So yeah, let's head back and see what happens.
Good race. Good race.
It's your job. I give you money, you give me ideas.
And you never say thank you.
That's what the money is for.
Well, let's recap. It didn't go as planned. Sadly, we got the right lane for both finals. The day was super hot. I probably shouldn't have double classed. I like to double class because I like to make passes in the truck, gets more data. We need more time behind the wheel. I don't get a lot of time for testing, so sadly we use racing for testing. Yeah, as you can see, the right lane there was at least a 4/10 difference between lane to lane, no matter what we tried to do. I do need to figure something out in case this happens again, but it kind of sucks when these kind of situations come up because there's not a lot you can do. The lanes were just different. They were what they were. So I'm gonna go through all the data and try to figure out a way that we can get more traction on things like this when they happen, and just try to do better. That's what we keep trying to do. So I appreciate all you guys for watching. I do these videos for you guys. I hope it was informative today. As you can see on backside racing, you don't need to be going super fast in order to get to finals. Anyway guys, thank you very much. Check out our website, sinisterperformanceshop.com. We've got all our merch, apparel, and everything else on there. We appreciate all you guys, and we appreciate you guys supporting us. Until the next event, we'll see you guys later.